Hi, I'm Paul, the owner of Dancing Ivories. Today we'll listen to a fully restored Steinway XR Duo Art reproducing piano. This was made in the early 1920s. Steinway in Astoria, Queens, the original factory, restored this piano for the inside, new action parts, dampers, pin block soundboard, pin strings, the refinishing. The interior of the piano, it's absolutely gorgeous in all regards. I did the restoration of the Duo Art reproducing player system. Both restorations are an extreme level of craftsmanship. And this is how a real Duo Art can sound. Duo Art lever is on. We'll be listening to this roll. Maybe not the whole roll, but we'll do the best we can, and we'll get it playing. We have the tempo set to 80, which is what the roll calls for. In other videos, I will show you the underside of the Duo Art as it is playing. Difficult to put in one video, so look for subsequent videos that show the interior workings of the Duo Art reproducing system as it is working. And here we go. And there you have it. Just turn this off. That is a fully restored and correctly restored Duo Art player mechanism. As you can tell, it has an amazing and full range of dynamics that were cut into the roll by the original artist on special recording machines. That's what a fully restored Duo Art sounds like. This has a fully intact and functioning what's called crash valve, bass and theme dynamic valves. Everything is working the way it's supposed to. So any question, feel free to reach out, dancingivories.net or dancingivories1, number 1, at verizon.net. In another video, I will show you how this piano plays without a Duo Art roll or any roll turning. This has the addition of a virtual roll player. So it will play Duo Art rolls in digital format, the original Duo Art rolls from a laptop computer. And the connection is done by a simple MIDI in cable, which is right here. This cable comes out. It's a little longer, make it easy to use. So tune in for another video on the virtual roll player system. Thank you.